itong break na to?
Yes, to start, especially those who will remain until the 20th Congress because they're not up for re-election. Siyempre, yung mga tumatakbo pa lang, asikasuhin na muna nila yung kampanya nila, okay lang yun.
Okay, RG, and then Cecil, and then Jojo.
Sir, as a politician, how will you describe yung political context habang nakabitin tong issue na impeachment for the next few months? I mean, can you imagine having a campaign with this and then sabi nyo aabot ng 20th? Can you imagine having a SONA, the budget hearings with this looming, hanging over everybody else's heads?
This is a legal constitutional process. Hindi natin dapat to ikatakot o ikabahala. May election man, wala mang election. May SONA man, wala mang SONA. Ito'y constitutional process na tinalaga ng ating saligang batas para mapayapang maresolbahan anumang hindi natin pagkakaunawaan o para magawa yung gusto nating magawa. Or mahadlangan yung ayaw nating makita mangyari. We should not be afraid of this. If this will be an election issue, then so be it. Hindi ba maganda yun? At least may valid election issue na pwede mo talagang tanungin sa mga kandidato. Na pwedeng pagbasihan ng ating mga botante kung iboboto nga ba nila o hindi. Ang partikular na kongresista o senador. At least yung dalawang pwestong yun man lang. At least it will be in a way issue-based. At hindi nakabase lamang sa personalidad. So we can look at it positively too. In a way, given that there is an issue